Friends, good morning to all. In the previous class, we discussed about the first lesson, active aditi, and today we are going to do the comprehensive work. Page number 12. We take page number 12, and in page number 12, we are going to study grammar verb. V-E-R-B, verb. What a verb is. V-E-R-B, verb. What is a verb? In the first text, that is term text 1, we had studied about nouns. What is a noun? Can anybody say what is a noun? A noun is a naming word. A noun is a naming word. It can be the name of a person, place, things, institutions, etc. Naming word is called a noun. And today we are going to study what a verb is. What a verb is. Verb, V-E-R-B. Verb is a doing word. Verb is a doing word. Verb is a doing word. That means any word that denotes an action. We are doing so many actions in your life, day-to-day life. You ask your children, you play. Play is an action. Play means play. You are playing different types of games. Play is an action word, a doing word. It is a verb. Play is a verb. Now I am doing an action. Which action I am doing? I am teaching. Teach. Teach is a doing word. It is an action. Teach is an action. It is a doing word. So teach is called a verb. The word teach is called a verb. Let us look at some more examples. Play. P-L-A-Y. Play is a verb because this word play denotes an action. The word play denotes an action. It tells us about an action. So it is called a verb. Write. W-R-I-T-E. Write. It is an action. So it is called a verb. Listen. L-I-S-T-E-N. Listen. It's a verb. Walk. Say verb. Sleep. S-L-E-E-P. Sleep. It's a verb. These are all examples of verbs. Do you understand? What a verb is? A word that denotes an action is called a verb. A word that denotes an action is called a verb. Examples of verbs are teach, play, write, listen, walk, sleep. We can say so many other examples. Sing, sit, stand, write, study, speak. These are all verbs. We are doing different types of actions on any day. Regularly we are doing different types of actions. The action words are called verbs. Here look at the text. Here is a set of words are given in a box and identify the verbs and identify the nouns. That is for task. Identify there are some nouns and there are some verbs. There are some naming words and there are some doing words. You identify the doing words. Doing words are called verbs. You identify the doing words and color the box that contain doing word with pink crayons. Using pink crayons or color pencils, you color the box that contain a verb, that is a doing word. We had done it in the earlier class, in the previous class, and I will say it once more. Bird. Bird. What is it? It's the name of a thing. It's the name of something. Bird is the name of something. So it is not a verb. It is a noun. So we don't color that box. Second one is drive. D-R-I-V-E. Drive. Driving. Is it an action? Yes, it is an action word. So it is called a verb. So here drive is colored with pink crayons. Drive is colored with pink crayons. Next one, nest. N-E-S-T. Nest. Nest. What type of a word is it? It is a naming word. Nest. It is a naming word. Let us write that naming word and doing word in different columns. Bird. Naming word. Names. Verbs. Names is called nouns. N-O-U-N-S. Nouns. Nouns and verbs. Bird is a noun. Bird is a noun. Then drive is a verb. Drive. D-R-I-V-E. Drive. Next one. Nest. It is a noun. N-E-S-T. Nest is a noun. Walk. It is a verb. Walk is a verb. Then chair. Chair is a noun. C-H-A-I-R. Chair is a noun. Next word pen. Sorry, run. R-U-N, run. Run is a verb. Run is an action. So it is called a verb. Next pen. P-E-N. It is a name of something. So it is a naming word, a noun. Car. It is also a naming word. C-A-R. Car. Naming word. House. It's also a naming word. H-O-U-S-E. House. Next one. Sleep. It's a doing word. S-L-E-E-P. Sleep is a doing word. Chapel. It's a naming word. C-H-A-P-P-E-L. Chapel. It's a naming word. It's a noun. Chapel. C-H-A-P-P-A-L. Chapel. It's a naming word. Write. It's a doing word. W-R-I-T-E. Write is a doing word. Then belt. It is a naming word. Belt. B-E-L-T. Naming word. Jump. It's a doing word. J-U-M-P. Jump. It's a doing word. Doing words are called verbs. Play. Doing word. P-L-A-Y. Play. Doing word. Cry. Doing word. C-R-Y. Cry. Doing word. TV. Naming word. TV. Naming word. Sing. Doing word. S-I-N-G. Sing. Naming word. Box. Sing. Doing word. Box. Naming word. Then leaf. Naming word. Here L-E-A-F. These are naming words. Listen here. What is the difference between a doing word and a naming word? Naming word is nouns and doing word or action word is verb. Bird, nest, chair, pen, car, house, chapel, belt, TV, box, leaf. These are all names of something. All of these words are naming words or names of something. So they are called nouns. But these words like drive, D-R-I-V-E, drive, walk, W-A-K, walk, R-U-N, run, S-L-E-E-P, sleep, W-R-I-T-E, write, J-U-M-P, jump, P-L-A-Y, play, C-R-Y, cry, S-I-N-G, sing. These words are action words or doing words. These words are action words or doing words. So, these words are called verbs. Do you understand what a verb is? A verb is a word that denotes an action. Such words are called verbs. These words are verbs. Do you understand? Then, each one of us is doing some action all the time. Every time we are doing an action. Now I am doing an action. What is the action I am doing? I am teaching. Teacher is teaching. You are also doing an action. What action you are doing? You are listening. You are listening. These are all doing words or verbs. Every time we are doing an action, whether knowingly or unknowingly. While sleeping, we are doing an action. What is the action we do while sleeping? We are sleeping. Sleeping is an action. It is a verb. Sleeping. Sleep is a verb and it is called an action word. Action words are called verbs. What are you doing now? I am teaching you to the teacher. I am listening to the teacher. I am listening to the teacher. Look here. Page number 12. Here is an exercise for you. First one. What are you doing? I am dash to the teacher. T-O-2 T-H-E-D teacher. T-A-C-H-E-R. This is the sentence. We have to fill the blanks. There are two words in the bracket. First one is L-I-S-T-E-N-I-N-G. Listening. L-I-S-T-E-N-I-N-G. Listening. Second one is playing. P-L-A-Y-I-N-G. P-L-A-Y-I-N-G. Playing. Look, I am dash to the teacher. Which word is correct? What are you doing when a teacher teaches you? What are you doing? Are you playing? No, you are not playing. While a teacher is teaching in the class, you are listening. L-I-S-T-E-N-I-N-G. Listening. L-I-S-T. You write in the dash. L-I-S-T-E-N-I-N-G. Listening. L-I-S-T-E-N-I-N-G. Listening. I am listening to the teacher. I am listening. T is silent. T is not pronounced in that word. I am listening to the teacher. I am listening to the teacher. Next one. Write the work each child is doing under the picture. Here are 5 pictures. Look at the text. 5 pictures. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 pictures are given in the text and each picture tells us what the picture is doing, what the boy or girl is doing. So write the action word below each picture. Write the action word below each picture. First picture, the boy is crying. C-R-Y-I-N-G. Crying. Right below the first picture. C-R-Y-I-N-G. Crying. C-R-Y-I-N-G. Crying. Second picture. Playing. Second picture. Playing. P-L-A-Y-I-N-G. Playing. P-L-A-Y-I-N-G. Playing. Third picture. Singing. S-I-N-G-I-N-G. Singing. Listen here. First picture. Crying. C-R-Y-I-N-G. Crying. Second picture. Playing. P-L-A-Y-I-N-G. Third picture. Singing. S-I-N-G-I-N-G. S-I-N-G-I-N-G. Singing. Fourth picture. Sleeping. Fourth picture. S-L-E-E-P-I-N-G. Sleeping. S-L-E-E-P-I-N-G. Sleeping. S-L-E-E-P-I-N-G. Sleeping. Next one. Studying. Fifth picture. S-T-U-D-Y-I-N-G. Studying. S-T-U-D-Y-I-N-G. Studying. C-R-Y-I-N-G. Crying. P-L-A-Y-I-N-G. Playing. S-I-N-G-I-N-G. Singing. S-L-E-E-P-I-N-G. Sleeping. S-T-U-D-Y-I-N-G. Studying. That much we studied yesterday. Today what mother is doing when she bakes a cake? You fill all these with the doing words. With the doing words. Listen here. Bakes a cake. Take page number 13. Bakes a cake. First one. Bakes a cake. Bakes a C-A-K-E. Cake. Bakes a cake. First letter is given here. Bakes a cake. What is the thing is called? What is the doing word? Bakes a cake. What can we call it? Bakes a cake. Baking. B-A-K-I-N-G. Baking. You fill in the blanks. You write each letter in each line. There are some blanks are given in the text and you write each letter in each blanks. B-A-K-I-N-G. Baking. Next one. Cleans the room. Second one. Cleans. C-L-E-A-N-S. Cleans the room. Cleans the room. Cleans the room. Cleans the room. C-L-E-A-N-I-N-G. Cleaning. Cleans the room. That process is called, that action is called cleaning. C-L-E-A-N-I-N-G. What is that action is called? That action is called cleaning. Cleans the room is called, that action is called cleaning. Next one. Watches TV. Third one. W-A-T-C-H-E-S. Watches. W-A-T-C-H-E-S. Watches TV. What is that action called? Watches TV. The name of that action is watching. W-A-T-C-H-I-N-G. Watching. Watches TV. That action is called watching. W-A-T-C-H-I-N-G. You fill in the blanks. Then what Papa is doing when he drives to the office? Fourth D1. Drives to the office. D-R-I-V-E-S. Drives to the office. O-F-F-I-C-E. Drives to the office. What is that action? D-R-I-V-I-N-G. Driving. Drives to the office. That action is called D-R-I-V-I-N-G. Driving. Drives to the office is called driving. Next one. Sings to you. S-I-N-G-S. Sings to you. Sings to you. That action is called S-I-N-G-I-N-G. Singing. Sings to you. Singing. S-I-N-G-I-N-G. Singing. That action is called singing. Next. What you do? Read a book. R-E-A-D. Read a book. Read a book. That action is called R-E-A-D-I N-G. Reading. Read a book. Reading. Use crayons. Use C-R-A-Y-O-N-S. Use crayons. That action is called C-O-L-O-U-R-I-N-G. What is that action? Use crayons. Coloring. C-O-L-O-U-R-I-N-G. Coloring. Listen here. I will tell you once more. Bakes a cake. That process is called baking. B-A-K-I-N-G. Baking. Next, cleans the room. That process is called, that action is called cleaning. C-L-E-A-N-I-N-G. Cleaning. Watches TV. That process action is called W-A-T-C-H-I-N-G. Watching. Drives to the office. That action is called D-R-I-V-I-N-G. Driving. Sings to you. That action is called singing. S-I-N-G-I-N-G. Next, read a book. R-E-A-D-I-N-G. Reading. Use crayons. Coloring. C-O-L-O-U-R-I-N-G. You write all these words on the blanks. All these words in the blanks using your pencils. Next one, sound pattern of pronunciation. Next segment is pronunciation. Next one is pronunciation. Sound pattern of E-E, then O-O, next one R-R and L-L. Which are the words? Double letters E-E-O-O-R-R-L-L. The sound pattern of the double letters. Say these words aloud. Listen here. Green. G-R-E-E-N. Green. Next one. Choose. Choose. Carrot. C-A-R-R-O-T. Yes. Carrots. Chilies. Chilies. Listen here. Green. Double E here. G-R-E-E-N. Green. Then choose. C-H-O-O-S-E. Choose. Carrots. C-A-R-R-O-T-S. Carrots. Next one. Chilies. C-H-I-L-L-I-E-S. Chilies. Filling the blanks. Filling the correct missing letter in the boxes. Here are some boxes and fill the boxes with the correct letters. Fill the boxes with the correct letters. Help box. First one, B dash dash K. dash dash O W. Next one, J E dash dash Y. Fourth one, B dash dash. Fifth one, H U dash dash Y. These are the words. These are the words, and here some words double letters are given: O O, E E, R R, L L, and N N. Let us fill the blanks. First one, B O O K, book. B O O K, book. Next one, Y E L L O W, yellow. Y E L L O W, yellow. Next one, J E N N Y, Jenny. J E N N Y, Jenny. Next one, B E E, B. B E E, B. Next one, H U R R Y, Harry. H U R R Y, Harry. It is Harry. H U R R Y, Harry. This is the sound pattern of these letters. Here is I value life segment. Here is a segment called I value life. Early to bed, early to rise, make a man healthy, wealthy, and wise. Early to bed, that means sleep at correct time. Early to bed and early to wake, that is the main thing. We are going to bed, you are going to bed lately because you are watching cartoons in television. You are watching cartoons in television. That is not a good habit. Watching television for a long time at night is not a good habit. Watching television for a long time at night is not a good habit. You go to bed and wake up at correct time. You go to bed and wake up at correct time. That is a good habit. You go to bed early and get up early. Go to bed early. That means early to bed and early to rise. It is the very important thing. You rise up early. You wake up in the morning itself. Early morning. You wake up in the early morning. Early to bed and early to rise makes a man. That is the two things that decides the character of a man. That decides the future of a man. Early to bed and early to rise makes a man wealthy, healthy, and wise. What are the three things? Healthy. That is the main thing. Healthy. Health is the main positiveness of a man. Healthy body. Healthy body and healthy mind is the positivity of a man. Is the main thing needed for a man. Healthy body and healthy mind. Early to bed and early to rise. Early to bed, E-A-R-L-Y, early. It is known as early. It is not the yearly. It is early. E-A-R-L-Y. It is known as early. Early to bed and early to rise. Early to bed means go to sleep early. Sleep early. Sleep at a correct time. Keep a timetable. Keep punctuality. Punctuality is an important thing. Punctuality. Samayanishta. Punctuality means Samayanishta. Punctuality. Keep punctuality. Early to bed and early to rise makes a man healthy, wealthy, and wise. Healthy, H-E-A-L-T-H-Y, healthy. Then wealthy, W-E-A-L-T-H-Y, wealthy, and wise, W-I-S-E, wise. If we are sleeping late at night, we couldn't get up at correct time. If we are sleeping late at night, that means around midnight. it is not easy for us to wake up at a correct time, that is early in the morning. Then we will wake only late. Then our timetable will change. We cannot do the things in proper time. If you are waking late, if you couldn't dress properly for school, you couldn't arrange the timetable, you couldn't have your breakfast with enough time, that the day will be messed up. The full day will be messed up. To avoid that messing up, you should go early to bed. You should go early to bed. That is there is a saying, you study this clearly, you study this clearly, then it is a saying, early to bed and early to rise makes a man healthy, important thing, then wealthy, it is also important, then wise. Early to bed and early to rise makes a man healthy, wealthy and wise. Okay, this is an activity corner. In every chapter, there is an activity corner for you. That is, you are small kids, you have some creativity in you. Some of you have the coloring skills, some of you have drawing skills, some of you have painting skills, and to improve your skills, activity corner is given. Activities corner is given to improve your skills. Extracurricular activities. So, draw and write about any 4 activities that you do in a day. There are so many habitual actions, that means the habit of you. The things you are doing regularly, every day, the things you are doing regularly. You draw and write about any 4 activities. Draw the picture of drawing. Draw the picture. If you are doing something very good, knitting, you can do it here. That means the activities you do regularly. If you are playing football every day, you can draw the picture of a boy playing football and write, I am playing football every day. If you are only watching TV, you can write the picture of a boy watching TV and you can write, I watch TV every day. Like that, you can draw the picture of 4 activities that you do in a day. Brushing, bathing, having your lunch or meals, any type of meals. Then studying, playing, watching TV, helping your mother. These are dressing up yourself. These are all the activities you do in your life, and you draw 5 pictures. Draw and write. First you draw a picture of that and you write a sentence about that. Okay, 4 activities. That is your activity from this chapter. Okay, I hope you all enjoyed this chapter. This is the end of this chapter. In this chapter, what are the things we studied? What is the name of the chapter? Active Aditi is the name of the chapter. In this story, there is a girl and she is, how many years she has? She has 4 years and she is the pet of her father. In the morning she wake up and she running towards her father. What did her papa do? Her papa took her, that means pick up her in his arms. Then she laughs. Aditi started laughing. The thing Aditi loved most is playing with her father. That we saw in the first part. And in the afternoon she had a habit. Here in this chapter, Aditi had a habit of a short sleep. What is the one word for short sleep? Nap. N-A-P. One word for short sleep is nap. Aditi had a habit of nap in the afternoon. Who put her in the bed? Aditi's mother put her in the bed. After putting her in the bed, what did Aditi's mother do? Aditi's mother went into the living room. For what purpose she went into the living room? She went into the living room to watch TV. Which is her favorite program? Watching cookery show is her daily habit. In the every afternoon, Aditi's mother is in the habit of watching cookery show. What did she do then? After watching TV for some time, she peeped into the bedroom and watched if Aditi is comfortable. Then what was Aditi doing? Aditi was sleeping comfortably. and her face was having a pleasant smile. Then mother thinks that she is having a dream of ice cream. She is dreaming of ice cream. And after waking up, Aditi wakes up and she feels hungry. When Aditi wakes up after her nap, nap, short sleep. After waking up from her nap, Aditi feels hungry. What did she want? She wanted to drink milk. And in the evening she wanted to go to the park. For what she wanted to go to the park? She wanted to play with the other children. Aditi wanted to play with the other children. So she wanted to go to the park. This is the content of the chapter. And after that we had studied some opposites. We had studied some opposite words. Opposite words means antonyms. Opposite word is called antonyms. A-N-T-O-N-Y-M-S. Antonyms. Antonyms, opposite words. Here, the opposite words we studied are awake. Awake, opposite asleep. Next one, cry. What is the opposite of cry? C-R-Y, cry. Opposite laugh. L-A-U-G-H. Then next word is go. G-O, go. The opposite of go is come. C-O-M-E, come. Then next word is S-I-T, sit. S-I-T, sit. Opposite of sit is stand. Next word is close. C-L-O-S-E, close. The opposite of close is open. Opposite word of close is open. Let us have a look at the opposites. A-W, A-W, A-K-E, awake. A-W-A-K-E, awake. The opposite of awake is asleep. A-S-L-E-E-P, asleep. Awake. A-W-A-K-E, awake. Say with me. A-W-A-K-E, awake. Opposite is asleep. A-S-L-E-E-P, awake, asleep. Awake, asleep. Next one. Sit. S-I-T, sit. Opposite word of sit is stand. S-T-A-N-D, stand. S-I-T, sit. S-T-A-N-D, stand. A-W-A-K, awake. A-S-L-E-E-P, asleep. S-I-T, sit. S-T-A-N-D, stand. Next one. Cry. C-R-Y, cry. The opposite word of cry is laugh. L-A-U-G-H, laugh. L-A-U-G-H, laugh. Cry, laugh. C-R-Y, cry. L-A-U-G-H, laugh. Then next one. Close. C-L-O-S-E, close. Open. O-P-E-N, open. C-L-O-S-E, close. O-P-E-N, open. C-L-O-S-E, close. O-P-E-N, open. Next one. G-O, go. G-O, go. C-O-M-E, come. Look at these words. Study it now itself. Awake, asleep, sit, stand, cry, laugh, close, open, go, come. These are the opposite words we studied in this chapter. Opposite words. Which are the opposite words? Awake, asleep. You say with me. Sit, stand, cry, laugh, close, open, go, come. These are the opposite words we studied. And which is the other thing we studied? Verb. What is a verb? A doing word. A word that denotes any action. It can be any action. Jumping, walking, reading, writing, sitting, studying, sleeping. These are all action words. Action words or doing words are called verbs. And we know naming words are called nouns and action words are called verbs. This we studied here, and we studied about the pronunciation of double letters. Pronunciation of double letters. Which are the double letters? E, 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 O, O, U, Then RRLL. Words related to that is GREEN, green. Next one CHOOS, choose. Next one CARROTS, carrots. It is carrots. There is no hard rolling or carrots. It is not pronounced as like that. Carrots. It is carrots. Next one chilies. CHILLIES, chilies. It is pronounced as chilies. Okay. You read the text so many times, and while reading, first you read for 3 or 4 times, and then at last you read fluently, and then take a photograph of reading and send it to me, or audio of reading and send it to me. You don't forget to write your names there. Okay, you read the text so many times as possible, and that will make you fluent, will get you fluency in English. Okay, your studies chapter is over. The notes will come to you. Then we will have a test paper of this chapter. Okay, let us stop here today, and let us continue in the next class. Thank you.